Young Ahmed embarked on a long journey through a dry, dusty landscape. The sun beat down relentlessly, making him feel weary and parched. He reached for his water bottle, only to find it completely empty. A wave of despair washed over him as he saw no signs of water nearby. Not far away, an elderly woman sat quietly under a lone tree, observing the struggling young traveler with gentle eyes. She called out to Ahmed and, without a word, offered him a clay pot filled with cool, fresh water and a piece of home-baked bread. Ahmed drank greedily, feeling immense relief and gratitude. He thanked her profusely, but she only smiled and urged him to pass on the kindness someday. Years went by, and Ahmed, through hard work and determination, became a successful businessman in a bustling city. One afternoon, he noticed a young woman at a busy market, struggling with heavy shopping bags and looking visibly lost and distressed. The sight immediately brought back memories of the old woman's compassionate gesture and her words about spreading kindness. Without hesitation, Ahmed approached the young woman, offered his help, guided her to the nearest taxi stand, and even paid for her ride home. The young woman was astonished and deeply grateful for his unexpected generosity. Ahmed felt a warm glow in his heart, knowing he had honored the old woman's lesson. A small act of kindness towards a stranger can create a ripple effect, inspiring others to spread compassion and making the world a better place.
एक बूढ़ा शख्स पुराने कपड़ों में मलबूस खामोशी से एक शानदार जेवरात की दुकान में दाखिल हुआ। एक नौजवान खूबसूरत लिबास पहने हुए सेल्समैन ने इसके लिबास को देखकर हिकारत भरी नजर से देखा। बूढ़े शख्स ने मुहज़्ज़बाना अंदाज में उनका सबसे नफीस हीरे का हार दिखाने की दरख्वास्त की। एक तमस्खुराना मुस्कुराहट के साथ सेल्समैन ने हिचकिचाते हुए डिस्प्ले से एक चमकता हुआ हार निकाला। क्या आप वाकई ऐसी चीज खरीद सकते हैं? इसने पूछा, इसका लहजा तहकीर से भरा हुआ था। बूढ़े शख्स ने नरमी से मुस्कुराते हुए कहा, मेहरबानी फरमाकर इसे पैक कर दें। ये मेरी बीवी की सालगिरह के लिए है। सेल्समैन ने तंज किया, ये सोचकर कि ये शख्स पीछे हिट जाएगा, और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बिल तैयार किया। इसकी हैरत की इंतहा न रही जब बूढ़े शख्स ने नए नोटों का एक मोटा बंडल निकाला और पूरी रकम अदा कर दी। सेल्समैन का चेहरा शर्मिंदगी और शदीद हैरत से सुर्ख हो गया। बूढ़े शख्स ने सिर्फ सर हिलाया, पैकेज लिया और खामोश वकार के साथ चला गया। कभी भी किसी शख्स को इसकी ज़ाहरी हालत से मत परखो, क्योंकि हकीकी कदर अक्सर अंदर छपी होती है।
Ali, a poor but honest boy, walked home from school, his stomach rumbling. Suddenly, he spotted a thick leather wallet lying on the dusty roadside. He picked it up and saw it was full of crisp banknotes, enough to buy food for weeks. For a moment, Ali imagined buying new clothes and delicious meals for his family. But then, he remembered his mother's words about honesty and doing what is right. Someone must be very worried about losing this, he thought, feeling a pang of empathy. Ali decided to find the owner, even though it meant sacrificing his own needs. He walked back towards the market where he found it, and saw a distraught elderly woman. "Auntie, is this yours?" he asked, holding out the wallet. Her face lit up with relief. The woman, overjoyed, offered him a reward, but Ali politely refused, feeling a deep sense of peace. True courage isn't the absence of fear, but the strength to choose what's right, even when it's difficult.